Many people suffer from a condition we call anxiety. It's that feeling that something's wrong, or perhaps a tightness in the chest, nervousness or fluttering, yet there's no apparent problem anywhere near us. Traditionally, this is handled with psychotropic and other types of sedative drugs to make the person feel calm and bring them back into a fairly calm state. This is temporary and usually doesn't solve the problem long term. And our bodies will tend to get used to these medications and require stronger and stronger medications to go on achieving the same effect in the future. But there are many different reasons why people can be experiencing these feelings, not the least of which are mineral deficiencies and blockages in the nervous system flow. If you'd like to learn more about what could be done to help with the problems of anxiety, call us for a free consultation or visit our website at michaelformandom.com.